Hello, Regina Voice over here. Today we are going to do a simple wall art using some chopstick. If you want the chopstick, you can get them at any supermarket. For this project, we are going to need 3 packets of chopsticks, a piece of wood, and your glue gun. First, I'm going to arrange the chopsticks in a way I'm going to glue them, if that makes sense. I need to picture how I'm going to glue them before I glue them.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
The results, I really loved my art, and if you also enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and see you on the next video. Bye.